Hello, everyone.
Good morning. Well, good afternoon.
Good, whatever it is. um, would somebody please try screen sharing and see if that works? I'm hoping that it's enabled. I just wanted to make sure. Okay. Oh, okay. Somebody was sharing with me. All right. Well, have you had any difficulties installing WebGoat? Whoops. WebCat.
Oh, I have. Um, I have it downloaded, but when it gets to you ask us to run the Java line,
Mm-hmm.
it just tells me that it's unable to access it. And I have Java on my computer, so I'm not sure.
Okay. Are you in the directory that has the WebGoat program or the WebGoat jar
Yes.
file? Okay. If you're in a command line, are you using an Apple or a Windows or a Linux type system?
Windows.
Windows. Okay. Good. I know more about those than others. Uh, yeah. If you run command.com, the CMD program,
Mhm.
you're running CMD. It's usually a black screen.
Right.
Uh, if you type Java dash version, and what does it tell you?
Oh no, I'm sorry. It just says command not found. Java dash
Aha.
version.
Okay. So if you go if you go java.version and it says command dot, then it means uh, you don't you don't have Java in the path of for commands. So it doesn't
Okay.
find Java. All right. There are a couple ways to fix that. Let me
Okay.
see if I can share. I'm gonna share my screen here and see if I can't demonstrate how to fix that. Maybe. Uh, okay, we're gonna go the full deal here. Just share the whole thing. All right. Hopefully you're seeing my screen with a beautiful background picture of nothing.
Okay.
All right. I go over to settings. I'm running Windows 10. It runs pretty much the same with others. And then I go up to system, click on that. And there we are. Uh,
Wait. See settings and system.
yeah. And all
Okay.
I think we go down to about because, yeah. Okay. And then on the right, it says advanced system settings.
Wait, you said about.
Yes, so we got about.
Um,
Way down it says about, tells you your system, what kind of computer you've got. You can see
okay.
I've got an Intel, our core trademark 2 do. It's old. So am I, so it fits, etc. Now over on the right, you can see advanced system settings.
All right.
Way over here. This,
Maybe I need to expand my screen. Uh, I do not see that. Okay, so
okay, now if you don't see that, there's an alternate way to get here. What is this? Oh, well,
related to
I don't see why I have to answer that question, but yes.
advanced system settings.
Yes, do you get the, if you, okay, do you not see advanced system settings in your computer?
I do not.
Okay, then let's back up.
Oh, well, I just typed in search and see if it'll take me there.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, got it. I got
Okay,
it.
you got system setting, advanced system
Huh?
settings. And you get to this thing. You see this little window here?
Right.
Ooh, pretty cool. That's right. If you shake a window and it, okay, you get here, you go down to environmental variables. Environment variables. Oh, it sounds so organic. And anyway, so, at this point, we need to figure out where did you put Java?
Oh,
Mine's in, okay, because I'm going to go down here where it says system variables and click on path, and then click on the button that says edit. And it gives me a list. And I have Java way up here at the top. So, but of course, it all depends on where did you put Java. It's usually in, here's my, oops, that's class stuff. C drive, program files, Java, and then various flavors of Java. Depending what version you have, click on the version, and then in the bin directory, there's a whole bunch of stuff, including a program called Java. Yes, there it is, Java. That's what we're looking for. What helps, by the way, is once you're in this directory, you want to go Java. If you go up to the line and you click on that, and it gives you the path, and you just go Control C, and then going back to our systems properties, when you edit this or add a new one, probably in your case, you want to add a new one, you just go New, Control V. Yeah, and that does it. Then just say OK.
all right. That was really
I-
fast. Okay.
Okay. All right. But basically, we get into system properties and you want to type in the path where you can find Java. By the way, I usually move it up to where, up to the top because I use Java and I figure if it's looking for Java, let's find it first. Don't wander through all the old system stuff that I never use. Okay. So the whole process is once you get to environment variables, click on edit, create a new, there's a new button, new path, and then put in the directory where your Java is located. And the easiest way to do that is to go into the file manager here. I've gone to the directory where Java is located. Conveniently go up here. That puts it into the usual Windows format. Do a Control C to copy it, and then go back to the systems properties. And when you do a new, just put it right in there. Bingo, you're done. You try that. Is that
All right. I'm gonna try.
okay? And at that point, when you're in CMD, the command line, you should, when you type java-version, it should say what version of Java you have. Not that that makes a big difference, but java-version doesn't do anything, and it's an easy way to test, do I have Java? Although you can just type Java, I guess, and it will complain that you haven't put any options in there, but it works. That should go a long way to solving your problem.
Okay.
Anybody else?
I'm still trying to download, but it says this type of file can harm the computer. So should I keep going?
Yes, this type of program can do terrible things to your computer. We are evil in this class. And who knows what we'll do, but we'll be kind and yes, definitely not try to hurt our computers. Maybe somebody else's, but not ours.
Okay.
Yes.
Hi, Dr. Williams. I have mine downloaded, but I can't figure out the path through the command, the CD.
Oh, did you? Okay, that's
Can I share my screen?
please do. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Let's see.
Okay. Can you see my screen right now?
Yes, seeing everything fine.
So I have it in the WebWolf, WebGoat, and the Java in my downloads.
Right. Okay. You need to run the Java installation. You have the yes, that's 8U2. Is that the latest? Or you're running a window? This is so yeah. This is a Windows-based system.
Yes.
Is that the latest version of Java you found?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it looks like you downloaded it yesterday. So, okay, well, double click on the JRE, nice convenient name, and it should go through a process of installing Java. Say yes. And then it'll go clickety-clack for a while and yeah, say install. You might want to make this small. So yeah, and it takes a while, but you got to get, yes, Java's required.
Okay.
It's probably required for any good computer science student anyway. See now, just a personal question. You are Stella?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I haven't, that's because I can say Stella. Could you pronounce the other name, please?
Ifeoluwa.
Felua. Okay, and the last name?
Additional.
Additional. Okay, Felua Additional. Thank you. I'm sorry, clumsy tongue here. Just takes a little practice.
It's fine.
Do. Yes. Oh, clickety clack. There it goes. And well, happy message. Good deal. You can close that. And now, yes, you might want to go to command.com. Yeah, search there, CMD. There it is. Well, where is this? Huh. Oh, there. Yep, that's one. And type Java version.
Java dash.
Space. Oh, sorry, there's a space. Yes, dash VE. I think just V will do it. No, need more than V. Version, yes. VERSION.
Okay, version.
Click.
That's it.
Press enter. Yeah, that's it. Oh, you see, that's happy message. All right. Java is installed in your system and it's readily available. Okay, that's half the battle. And I think Jamir's has got that far. So now, if you go back to where you had put the WebGoat program, you probably want to move WebGoat and stuff out of your downloads. Find a happy
place. I have
place.
it on my desktop right here.
Oh, fine. How about, and did you get the wolf too?
No.
Oh, copy the wolf there. You need the wolf. Sometimes. Okay. And now, in case you care about disk space, you can delete those top 3 items out of your downloads. But that's
from the
optional.
Okay.
That's maybe optional. Okay. But now you've got WebWolf and everything. All right. You're in users 8470p. Nice username. type a dir,
T. Then
dir as in directory,
okay.
dir, and see what that tells you. Where are you? Just press enter. Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. Desktop. Do a CD space desktop.
Next step.
Yeah. And if you do a dir now, you should see WebGoat and WebWolf.
DR WebGoat.
dir, yeah, directory. dir prints all the files. Old for those old guys. It's you missed an I in there. dir. Isn't
Mhm.
Oh, there you go. And just put, yeah, just that's fine. Just put, or you can put a star right now. Type, or, yeah, that works. Just press enter. Not found. Just do dir with nothing else. Just dir. Enter. Where's WebGoat and WebWolf are there? All
Yeah.
right.
I have it.
Okay. Interestingly enough, your well, that's WebGoat. Nope, WebGoat. Sorry, can't read. Okay, your WebGoat doesn't have a version number, but that's fine. I mean,
Yeah,
it's all
I edited it yesterday.
okay. Now you're at the point where if you go over to the instructions and it says run the command, that says java.jar, blah, 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 blah. I would copy and paste that just as a test. I never want to type that whole thing in.
Okay.
So if you go
Copy
to
and paste the.
find the directions.
I think I have that on my Blackboard.
You just have a few things open. Oh, you're going into security. You've got 3 security classes.
I'm
Oh,
just
wrong
learning.
one. You want to go down to, yeah, that's the one. Yes, and if you see right under run the command, yeah, right there, copy that line, and then go back to your command.com at the lower right-hand corner, and go in there and paste it in there. Oops, you might have to go up to command to the, yeah, right there. You got it. And then press enter and see what happens. Oh, okay. Pasted it again. But this time, back up, press the back, not the erase, but the left arrow key until you get all the way back to where it says .jar.
The jar right here.
Oh, yes. And then delete all the server dash, because yours is just called oh, yeah, okay. Just delete back. Okay, yep. And then go .jar.
Dot jar.
Yes,
Okay.
.jar, because it's a jar file. Okay, press enter and see if we have any more luck. Ooh, it's thinking about it. That's always a good sign. Oh, that's not as good a sign as we'd like to see. Could you scroll up just a tab so we can see the beginning of that error message? Okay, thread main, blah, unsupported class version error. Oh.
Is that
Yes.
because I renamed the WebGoat?
Nope. I think the problem is that I mentioned earlier, you have version 8 of Java. I have version 14. You're a little bit behind.
Okay.
And that's what it's complaining about. If you look at it, it says, hey, the people who made the WebGoat used file class version 55, and you only got 52, and so you're 3 versions away. So your problem is you have to go out and find a new and improved version of Java. The one you have is just kind of old.
Okay. Thank you.
So that's a separate problem. Let me know if we have problems doing that. How about the other folks? Anybody have issues, problems?
Professor, can you hear me?
Barely. Who is this, please?
It's Mazubin.
Yes, ma'am.
So I installed Java 15, and and this worked. I installed the Java and the jar file as well. But in the assignment page, you said I should see 35.437 seconds, but it shows me 13 point something seconds.
Oh, you have a faster computer than I do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just copied that from my computer. Yes, your computer almost twice as fast as mine.
Okay.
Yes, well, I just have, I think earlier, so I have an old computer, but I kept it running through tender loving care. And yes, so, right, yeah. Now, you need to run both WebGoat and WebWolf. So you need to open a separate command. Now, WebWolf isn't used all the time, but sometimes it is. And it's just, you just might also just start them both when you're going to do anything.
So
I might point out, by the way, you have to start the goat first and then the wolf.
I installed the wolf. Like I did that also, but it shows me this message. I am wondering if it's okay or not. I can show you the
Please
message.
show me the screen. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh, So after I run the wolf one, then it shows me this message. It's okay.
Okay, I'm only seeing your file manager. Was there something else? I see the 4 files there. You've got
Yeah.
the
So
wolves
so
and
when
capsule.
when I install WebGoat, this I just took the picture and saved
Oh,
it to show
okay.
you.
Let's see what that looks like.
Yeah. So here I got this seconds information. So it's installed, right?
Mhm.
But for the wolf, it shows me this message.
I
Command
don't, I only see the the file manager. I don't see any other things on your screen. It may help if you share your whole screen or share the picture or.
Oh, then I can share the picture. I think that will be fine.
Oh, just as a privacy issue, I'm recording this session because people have asked me to do so. So when you share your screen, it's now recorded and everybody will know it. I didn't know if Stella wants me to take that out, or I don't think there was anything there that revealed any deep, dark secrets or problems. But if you think so, I'll just delete it.
No, it's fine. Nothing.
Okay. How's it been? How are we doing?
I can't share my photo with you. I don't know why, but I can share my photo with you. Is there
Oh.
any restrictions on that?
Perhaps you could share your screen and show us the message. We could see what we can do for you. Well, Kia, how have you been? How successful have you been?
So I downloaded both WebGoat and WebWolf, but the command part is kind of confusing me.
Okay. Did you get
But
to, you're running a Windows system or a Mac or?
yes, Windows.
Okay. Did you find the CMD program?
Yes.
Okay. when you use that, and I guess the big test is if you type Java space dash version, it should tell you something about Java. If it tells you command not found, then we have another issue.
Well, so I downloaded Java because I didn't think that I had it. And it says not recognized as an internal or external command.
Okay. Yes. We talked about this earlier with another student, but you have to put Java in your path so that when you are running a program, it will find it. The system doesn't know where Java is. I can show you how to do that if you wish.
Yes, please.
Oh.
So I'm on the Zoom call on my phone, and I'm using my laptop to.
Okay. Well, here, I'm going to share my screen. Will you be able to see it on your phone?
Yes.
I'll read through it so you can. Okay. Let's go here. Okay. Here's my full screen. All right. Okay. So we assume you have Java someplace. Typically, it's in this directory. It would be under Program Files, Java, JDK something. I have 14.0.1, but anything better than 8, as we now know, is good. At least 8 doesn't work, but 14/bin. And in fact, if you go up here to the title bar and click anywhere in that, it changes the format to the usual Windows format for a file. And if you type Control-C to copy that, you can copy that. And then we go down to the Start button, Settings. Yes, and then, well, I had it up. It would be back here. Click on System, which I already had open. And then there's System, a bunch of things. And we want to go all the way down to About at the bottom. And then to Advanced System Settings. This is a graduate course, so we're using advanced settings. Click on that, and then it asks you this annoying question. At least my system does. I don't run as administrator, so I have to prove. Okay. And then I get this little box, System Properties. I think you can get here by typing System Properties in the search field at the bottom, but this is the way I know. Okay. And then we want to talk about environment variables. Down at the bottom, there's a button for environment variables. We click on that, and here are all the environment variables. Environment variables are system data available to a program, and the system uses it on several occasions. You want to find out things. In particular, there is one called path. Path tells the system where to look for programs when you run them. So if you type in a program name, how does Windows know where that program is? Well, it looks in the directories specified in your path. So the easy thing to do is to click on this and then press Edit, and you'll get it. I have it already here, but assuming you don't, because that would be the problem, you go up to New, and then just do a Control-V to paste that directory that we found. So we do a Control-V like that, and then I usually move it up to the top. Now you notice I already have it there, so I'm just going to cancel. But yes, and that will fix your problem. I might note, by the way, that once you fix this, you have to exit. If you had the command box open before, exit that, start it again, because every time it starts, it grabs the environment variables that exist at that time. And if you change them while it's running, it does not change them immediately. Does that answer all sorts of questions?
Yes, but I think I downloaded JavaScript version 8, so that might be a problem.
There's an 8 out there. Let's take a look at, let's go hunt down some Java here. You're still sharing my screen. I'm going to go to, we don't want to see this, heavens. Oh gosh. don't look at that. Oh, that's yes. Base 64 encoding into Wikipedia. You'll see more of that on Tuesday. But now there's several places to get Java. I have often gone to Oracle, O-R-A-C-L-E. There are, okay, Oracle is the, well, Oracle bought Sun, and Sun was the original creator of Java. Click over here on developer, because we're developers. Probably Developer Resource Center. Choose your language frame. We want Java. Come on, let's go. I don't want to watch any videos. I want downloads. OpenJDK. That's what we want. There's, by the way, several versions of Java out there. The open one is what we're looking for. Boy, they don't make this easy, do they? And you're probably laughing, okay, at the old guy who's trying to read the teeny little bit printing they put over here. Good grief. We'll try. Oh, this looks like it might work. Yeah. That gives a indication that it might be successful. We want a Windows. We want the Windows system. So we click on that one, the zip. Okay. And find an appropriate place. It's where I put all my download stuff. Open JDK, and I will save it. And it's spinning around, still downloading 187 megabytes. It's working on it. Keep going. But once it's downloaded, then we'll have to open it. Okay, it's done. So I'm done with this. I'm just gonna tell, I don't want to see that. And I go back to my files, and where did I put that? Oh, yes. Excuse me, gotta find where I put it. It would be under net stuff, which is right there. Yes, open JDK. And then I have to uncompress this and put it someplace, wherever you think is a good place to put things. I don't know where you put things when you install them. Typically, though, I mean, I have WinZip installed, so when I click on this, it will eventually, when it gets around to it. Okay. Oops, there we go. Okay, don't want to see this. Boy, my system is busy. What's happening? Being a systems kind of guy, I always like to look at what is going on. McAfee is trying to do a capture being scanned. Okay, I'll just let that go. All right. Unzip this to someplace. Doesn't really matter. I could unzip to any directory you like. I usually put Windows in the program files directory. I might note, often because of system restrictions, the WinZip program or things cannot copy directly into program files. That's weird. So you unzip it someplace and you copy it over there or move it over there. Actually, it's just a move, and then it works just fine. I don't understand that silliness in Windows security, but that's what it is. Anyway, there it is. You put all this over. This is, you notice, is version 15.0.2, which is the very latest. So that's what you want to get, because it looks like some people are getting version 8 from someplace. 8, well, obviously, if you look at the numbers, if 15 is the latest version and you've got 8, you're about halfway there. Although, in your defense, the Java people have been running away with new versions, trying to put one out every 6 months. Okay. Does that explain to everyone how it's done? I know I zoomed right through that, but
Yes, I think I got it now.
okay.
Dr. Williams, I just got the latest version of Java, but it's still throwing an error.
Oh, can you share your screen and show me the error?
Yes, please.
Oh, look at that. Exception in 30 compile. Oh, is that's the old one. Oh. Okay, you installed it. Yeah, type that. You installed a new version of Java since you last.
Yeah, I installed this, which is the 15.02.
Okay. Why don't you terminate the cmd.exe window? Just go up to exit in the upper right hand corner and then start it again and see if it works. I know that's like insanity if you do the same thing, expect to get different results, but yeah. Type java.version there and see what it says. Space dash. Oh, there needs to be a dash before version. Doesn't matter. Just type enter and it should, well, no, that's it. That's good. Hit it. There we go. 15.0.2. You got the latest and greatest first. Now copy and paste the WebGoat line, and I think we have great hope that it should work.
Okay.
Are we in the oh wait a second. Are we in the directory where you have I think you copy that to your WebGoat's, if I remember right, you have WebGoat on your desktop,
On my
right?
desktop. Yeah.
Okay. So before this will work, you got to change directory to your desktop.
Okay.
So it's a CD space desktop. There. Now try the Java statement. And just copy and paste it.
And then I have to go change it to webgoat.java.
Whatever the jar. Yeah, that's right. Very good. Yes. Okay. Hit it. It's thinking about it. Ooh, happy messages. It takes a minute or so before this goes. Well, actually, depends on how fast your computer is. Your computer is faster than mine. I'm jealous. All sorts of messages, warning messages about illegal reflection access. But there we go. Okay. Start at the bottom. It says started WebGoat in 22.924 seconds. Bingo, that works. All right. You're most of the way there. Now, at this point, I do not like to type that great big Java statement very often. I would create a text file or a file with the extension BAT. Go into Notebook or something. Yeah, you might want to go into like Notebook or whatever your favorite editor to create a text file is, and create a text file and copy that command in there.
What
And,
command?
the big Java. Just paste that Java command in there. Not here. Just you need to go into some editor. I usually use Notebook.
Yeah, I think I have that.
It comes default with Windows. Yeah, if you go to all, there it is, top of top.
Right.
Oh, Notebook Plus is even nicer. I never really use Notebook. And then, not now, I say no. Control V. Okay, then go up to save. Oh, nope, you got to save it first. Well, it'll tell you, it'll ask you that. But yeah, file, save.
Save as.
Either one works. Anything.
Okay. Cannot be saved.
Well, that's really weird. I've never seen that message before. Say no. Try just clicking the little disk icon, the third one from the left, underneath the word edit, up to what down below there to the right. 3 icons. One more. Save. Click that. Save. Fail. Whew. That's really strange. Well, go ahead. Say yes. I'm not sure what. Say yes.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Okay. And now, click save. And
I think it's saved now.
yeah, but we don't know where it saved it. Do a file save as, I guess. We want to put it on the desktop. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's right. And then now, oh, well, okay. You've got up there, change the name.
Okay.
Rename that and call it startgoat.bat. .bat as in bat. Like a bat. Yeah, okay. Now, all you have to do is double click that startgoat.bat to, oh, that did not, that is strange. Say no. You can close Notepad. You double, excuse me. Close that, close the Notepad, and then go up to Start Goat and click it once, and then click it once again. Tell you what, yes, let me give you a security hint. Let's see, go down to your file manager and let's see. We need can't remember how to do this under the Windows. You see, your system is not showing the file extensions. And I always recommend, as a matter of system security, you show file extensions, because things you can get fooled by thinking you've got something when it's really something else. But that's a security attack way beyond what we want to do in web security. But yes, how do you do that? Maybe if you click over on the right where it shows the listing types under the file manager, it's got on the menu bar to the far right of new folder, there's a click down menu where it says new folder on the file manager up at the menu bar. Nope. Back on the file manager. Yes, right to the right of that, there's a down arrow. Just about, well, it looks like 1 inch on my screen. Yes, where you. Well, anyway, I think the problem is that your file is called startgoat.bat.txt, but you don't know that. What if you right-click on startgoat.bat up there on the desktop? Right-click on it. Go down to Properties. Type of text document. Whoa. That's really strange. It's a .bat file. It's supposed to not be a text file or a .log file. Well, click on change to the right of Notepad. That is not very effective. Oh, yes. And you notice the file name, startgoat.bat.log. You got to get rid of the .log somehow. So cancel this. And then, yeah, cancel this. And if you try to change the name of that again.
Right here.
Yeah, right click down to rename. Oh, man, you're just not seeing the .log. And that's what you have to get rid of. That's one of the reasons why you should always show the type of files. And how do you do that? Yeah, there's an option switch somewhere. Well, anyway, if you could make that work, or you can just keep that and always copy and paste from it, that works too. Sometime make your system safe and easier to use by finding the option that says display the extensions. It's under organize, or yeah, maybe if you click under organize. Anyway, yes, someplace there's this show extensions, and you go, yes, show extensions. You should always show extensions, because I can see you've got things like IMG. It's a PNG file, but you don't see the .png. You want to see the .png. In your case, you got a .log, and you want to unlog it. You want to make it into just a .bat, but it's very hard to do. Okay, well, anyway, it works. You've got
Okay,
WebGoat
so
running.
I can launch
gotta-
the WebGoat right now.
Well, I think it is running. I think if you don't you have it down here now with in your command.com, don't we have WebGoat? Don't you have WebGoat running?
Oh, so I'm not launching it from the.
No. Yeah, you can't just double click that. They will not work.
Oh, okay.
Well, maybe it does. Is that the window you just have?
No, that's from the CMD.
Okay. Yes. Well, that's running. Cool. Now open another command. Leave this one running. You can shrink it if you don't want to watch it, but open another CMD program. There it is, the black one. And this time, copy and paste the web wolf start on the instructions. Yes. Oh, don't forget to change directory first, Jess. Oh, you're good. You remember. These computer science students knew all this. Oh, yeah, you got his desktop. You got desktop there. Nope. CD desktop. You have an extra S.
Oh,
Take the dash out. Okay, that should work. Aha, okay, success. Paste in the command. Press enter. Oh. That's webwolf-8.0.jar. Let's go back to your desktop and see what do you have there? Just to shrink the window. Click on the WebWolf once and see what the name is. We got an M. Or you could do just like you did on the other one. Just shorten it to WebWolf, the version. No, delete it. Rename. All right. There. And then do the command.com and take off the version thing like we did before. Yeah, try that. Enter.
Oh.
Okay. And once this comes to a conclusion, it tells you it's been installed and we've got goats and wolves working in harmony. There it is. Okay. Now go to your browser. And there's yes, it's in the instructions, but yeah, just find your browser, open up yet another window, or you can replace this one or whatever you like. And yeah, just open up another tab. You've got plenty of tabs there.
Yeah.
You look like my wife. She got hundreds of things open at once. Okay. And then you don't want to do just http:// no, just colon, no S.
No S.
No S, colon, // oh, you think you have a semicolon there, colon, // and then localhost, local HOST. Okay, yeah. Colon, another colon.
This one?
No, none of them there are correct, but just type colon. Getting closer, 8080. And then / WebGoat, capital W, EB, and then capital G, and OAT. Try it. Ta-da! There you go. You have to register as a new user, which is meaning, of course, remember, this is only running on your computer, so the one and only user, but it likes you to sign up. So now you're ready. Okay, you're in. You've got it.
Yeah. Do you have to do the same for the web wall?
No. You're using WebGoat. WebWolf, okay. You don't always need WebGoat to be precise. Sometimes you need it. I just start them both all the time. So it's there in case I do need it and I don't get any error messages. But the Wolf is an attack platform that's sometimes used with WebGoat to make attacks against WebGoat. WebGoat, as the instructions will tell you, is an intentionally vulnerable system. Yes, in fact, why don't you register? Let's just register so everybody can. You have to go click down where it says below sign where it says register new user. Okay, give it a user. Remember, you're the only person on the system, so security is not an issue. So you can do whatever username, whatever password you like. It doesn't matter. Yes. And of course, don't forget the password, although I usually tell my browser is set up to remember passwords, even though that's insecure, I do it anyway. And then, of course, click the agree with terms and conditions, firstborn child and all that. Okay, sign up, which is, oh.
Okay.
Think of something simple. I pick something simple to type between 6 and 10 characters. Since there's no fear of getting hacked into because this is on your computers. This system can be loaded on a server, a web server, and used that way. And so it kind of looks like it's running on a web server, but in fact, it's not. It's running. Oh, you have to agree to the terms. All right. Of course, save it. Now, this is good. You've gotten to the first web page. And of course, you can see the what is WebGoat. You notice the blinking one, which is kind of pointless. But if you, on the upper left-hand corner, it says introduction. If you click on introduction, and you've got WebGoat, click down to WebWolf. Yeah, down to one below it. Or actually go down to general, just down to click there. Okay, we have several things to learn. There's a basics. You click on HTTP basics there. Oh, that one only has one. Well, that's interesting to use. But yeah. Oh, pick any one of the ones on the left. You know, A1 through A9. By the way, you notice there's no A6. Okay, yes. And now, this is telling you a little bit about HTTP. There's challenges at the bottom. You can try that. This one is really simple. Enter your name. I think if you can, actually anything will work there. Oh, yeah, okay. It's okay. We're not doing automatic credit card filling. Just type in your name or anything. There's your name backwards. Is Elitz. Okay. Well, anyway, it's working. Cool. And if you click on some of the others, let's go down to on the far left. Yeah. And by the way, as you go through, as you see, there's these little quizzes and little lessons. You go through 1, 2, 3, all the way up to how many there are. Sometimes there's just a few. They might ask, what was the HTTP command? Well, it was a post. We'll talk about that later. What was the magic number? You don't know the magic number. And there's just no way to know the magic number. Don't worry. It's not as bad as it looks. Yeah, well, okay. Yes, there's some steps. You have to get Zap installed to learn the magic number. And that's a whole nother issue that we'll discuss probably on Tuesday. Anyway, click on one of the yeah, that's fine. A2, broken authentication. And then pick, JWT tokens. That's what I've been working on. Do we get that? Yeah, there it goes. All right, there are 8 pages of this one. You can just, click on them, or structure, la-di-da. Yes, and it's talking about JSON. I can't remember what JWT is. It tells you on page 1 what JWT stands for, and I can't remember, but it's a security token. It's JSON Web Token. Yes, all right. JWT. JSON Web Tokens are passed around for identification and security. In other words, this is a cookie. You're looking at a cookie right here. I prefer chocolate chip, but JSON Web Tokens will work. And yes, and we're going to learn how to change them, how to alter them. And I've been playing around with that. And yes, we can go out and change these tokens. Yes. Your username is user, and it's not very interesting. But if you go to the next one, and actually probably next 2, if you click the little black arrow to the right of this little, 3, see what 3 looks like. Oh, that's not very easy. Go to 4. Oh, you can read that later. We'll go to 4. This one took me quite a while to work on. Some of these are not easy, but I got this one to work. It's like make yourself into an admin. And you can do that. We'll talk about that on Tuesday. So I would try installing Zap sometime. Zap is relatively simple to install. And then with WebGoat here, if you would please go to the left and go up to, under General. Yeah. Down to the second one, HTTP proxies. Second one under General, click there. There we go. And we've got 10 lessons on how to install Zap. By the way, you don't need all 10. I can tell you 9 and 10 don't say anything. But it tells you step-by-step instructions, more or less, on how to install Zap. But you probably want to do that. In fact, I'm sure you want to do that eventually. The assignment for today was to get WebGoat, and then I was just moving on to Zap. And we'll talk about Zap on Tuesday. It's a really cool tool to use for attacking systems or testing systems. Okay. Well, do you have any more questions about this? I hope everybody else saw it work. Anybody else?
So if I close this, would the WebGoat still run the command line?
I'm sorry, what was the question, please?
Can I close the CMD now? Would the WebGoat still run if I close
No, because those programs, you see, are the web server. What you have, you're running in your in your browser is it's a web page. It's a web page with JavaScript. And the web server is that WebGoat program, the WebGoat jar, acts as a web server on your computer, even though it's not available to anybody else but yourself. It is and so it looks like it's running on some big server someplace else, but it's just running on your computer.
Okay.
There are other ways to do this. I mean, we could install WebGoat. I could have installed WebGoat on a server at the university and everybody connect to it. But it tends to work much better if you have it on your system, because then, well, if we have everybody using the same version, as you go through things and you try something, you see other people's efforts. And no, I just want you should just see what you've done.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Okay. After experimenting with multiple ways, this is, I can tell you, the easiest way, even though getting it set up could be a challenge. Once it gets going, it works best. It's also, since we're a security class, this is the most secure. Everything is on your computer. You don't have to worry about anybody else doing anything to you.
That's fine.
Okay. Anyway, yes. So, okay. So this is Stella. All right. So, anybody else have any questions about WebGoat? Web Wolves.
I'm still lost. Well, I need to figure out how we get to program settings so I can put Java in it so it can find it.
Me too. I'm still at the same place as well. I mean,
Let me hang on for a second. Let me check alternate ways to do this. Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. Just a second. I'm having to enter my secret password. All right. Yes. Okay. What works? I just tested it out. I believe everybody's running Windows. Excuse me. If you are running Windows, then you need to do the search. If you have Windows 10, it probably says type to search here. If you have an earlier version of Windows, you hit the start button and it has a search field. Search for system space settings. Okay, here, I'm going to share my screen. Ooh, a couple chats here. And I'm going to share my whole screen. All right, everybody sees, we don't see that. You don't see my poker bowl. Okay, so I'm on Windows 10. And so I go down here and I type system settings and it knows what I want. And I click on that. If you are up, can you see that enter advanced system, enter my password thing? Well, anyway, okay, there it is, system properties. Yes. Again, if you were on a Windows, earlier version of Windows, you'd have to press the start button. Then it has a search field and you type in the search there. It should work. And you get to this little window, one that says system properties. Okay. And under the advanced tab, which is where it usually goes, there's the environment variables button. You want to click on that one and it opens up this window. Now, this window looks a little bit differently under Windows 7 or other versions of Windows. Yes. It's, to be honest, they really cleaned it up under Windows 10. I mean, sometimes there's these little advanced things that they never pay attention to, but they finally figured it out. If you're under Windows 7, when you go to a path, it will give you the big long path. It's a character string that's probably 100 some characters long. What I do sometimes is I will copy and paste it, put it into Notepad, edit in the directory where your Java system is. Now, Java, again, here's this. We want to go up to, yes, go to program files, usually on your C disk, down to Java, down to your whatever version it is. Some of you probably have 15.0.2, I think was the one we just got. And then click the bin. And here we have a bunch of API. I don't know what that junk is, but eventually you find, yes, there is the Java exe file, along with a whole bunch of other things you may want in the future. But there's the Java, so cool. So if you go up here onto the command bar and click it once, and it converts the English version to the computer version, copy that. So usually that's Control C to copy that, and then put that in the beginning of the string that you copied from the system program, the path. Put that in the beginning of the path, separated by a semicolon. Yes, semicolons separate different paths. You'll see them in what you have there. Things are separated by semicolons. And then copy that, put it back into the path, say, okay, a couple of times, and then everything should be good. You have to start the command line after you change it, because every time you start the command line, it copies all the system variables as they existed at that time. If you change them while it's running, it doesn't get the changes. So you have to close it, start it, and then it should work, in theory. Remember, of course, in theory, theory and practice are the same. In practice, they're not. Okay, well, hope that helped some people.
Does it have to be EXE?
Okay. Anybody has a new and unusual problem?
Hello. I have some problem. Can you hear me?
Any hope, Lakia?
Does it have to be EXE? Because I see Java, but I don't have java.exe.
Okay. Mazabon. What did you want to show your screen and show us your problem, Mazabon? Oh, see, Lakia. All right.
Can you see this?
There's Java. Yep.
This is the one that I
Okay.
was, but it doesn't have, like I said, it doesn't have EX.
Yes. All right. So go up to the top of that window, your file manager. I can't. Yeah. Oh. Sorry. Let me. Oh, I know. Make this bigger. Ah, yes. There we go. My poor eyes can see. Yes. Where you see the line that says this PC desktop, blah blah blah. Oh. Yeah. If you click on the far right of that, yeah. Click just anywhere. Sure. No. If you got to get to the end. Oh wow. So you have it on your desktop. Okay.
Yes.
So you have the new version of Java on your desktop. It will work.
Well, I changed it. I just made it in a folder because the computer was like, I needed to extract all the files. I'm here though, but I don't know. Like, is this right? Can I leave
Yes.
this?
Okay. All right. No, that's not the Java program you want to have on your file. That's the demo. Hopefully you need to open that file up and save the zip. Yeah, open it up and uncompress it. Yeah, double click on that one. What does that tell you? Okay. Right above you, it says compressed. Oh, backup one. Just hit the back button there. Yeah. It says compressed file tools. Why don't you click on that one? Extract all. and find a happy place to put it. I mean, if you want to put it there, that works, but
No. Should I like create another folder or?
yeah, double click on that. Okay, this is the extracted version.
Yes. I think I need to do it over because I did it one time before, so maybe I should start over.
Okay, yeah, or to the far right of that would have right of west, a little bit right of that. Click just to the right. Click right there. Yeah, right. Oh. Yeah, that's what we want to see. Okay, that's the general desktop web security. Okay, click someplace else to get out of that, and then double click on the JDK-15.auth. Yes, and then double click on bin. All right. Oh, server. Server. That's funny. What happened? What's in server? Because I don't have the server. Nothing.
No.
Did you extract everything
I did. I did it one time
from
before,
the zip
and that's
file? It doesn't look like it's all there. In fact, it looks like almost nothing's there. Yeah. Oh, there's what we need to do. I don't think this. Oh, extract down at the bottom of the screen. It says the word extract on the right. From what I can. Yeah, it says down there, extract just by where your mouse is. Click there. Yeah. Okay. There we go. That's what we need to do. Okay, it's going to put it in your downloads directory, which is probably not the best place to put it, but it works. It's all on the disk. It doesn't matter. Just don't delete it later on. Or you might put it someplace more reasonable. Yeah, you might want to move that directory to the desktop or someplace else. But for now, okay, when it opens that up, then we'll look in that directory, which is your desktop downloads, open JDK, blah, 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 this bin. And in there, we should find what you need.
okay.
You ever wonder why the last 1% takes so long?
Okay, now it brought me back here. So Professor Williams, it brought me back.
Oh, I'm getting seasick.
Can you hear me?
Okay. I think you need to go to your downloads desktop or desktop downloads. Yeah, web security. Click on that one. Double click on that. Double click on that. Double click on that. Bingo. You got all the stuff there. Yes. And if you scroll down, I'll bet you find something called java.exe. Yes, there it is. Cool beans. And again, you're not showing extensions, which, as I mentioned before, it's really useful to show, but it doesn't matter. Now, what you want to do is go up to where it says the top desktop. Yeah, desktop web security Java bin to the right of bin. Right about a quarter inch more to the right, just to the right beyond that. Okay, there, click. Copy address.
Copy it as text or just it doesn't matter.
Just copy address. Don't just there. Okay, cool. Now you got to go to yes, right there, and change that.
Should I delete this one?
Delete that one. Put in a new one. Paste it there. Yes, that looks like it has a real chance of working. You might just do the up button and move that up to near the top. Put it, yeah. Okay, bingo. Say okay, and then okay until it stops asking for okays. There's another one over there, just okie dokie doke. All right. Now, if you go to command.com, open it up again. Yep, there we are. Command prompt, open sesame, type Java space dash version. I note, of course, you're typing all this with one hand, which is pretty talented. Yes. Oh, look at that. It worked. There's success. Okay. Now, try copying and pasting the run the command for WebGoat. Oh, okay. Well, we have another issue. We've got Java installed. That's all done. Okay. Now, where do you have your WebGoat downloaded? In that directory or
I don't know.
desktop or oh, there it is. Okay, this is on your desktop, I think. Yes. Good.
Yes.
All right, we've got. Oh, this is in downloads. This is in downloads. You might make life easier if you copy or move, click on the downloads. Oh, something's
Computer
happening.
froze. Yes.
Weird. Oh, okay. Click on downloads and just click on the two goats and drag them to your desktop. Oh, just single click and drag them. Yeah, over there. All right, it's good. Get the goat. Get your the wolf. Yeah, you got the wolf. You got the goat. Cool. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now. Yeah. Okay. Now, if you go back to your command, yeah, right there, and paste that. Okay. Are you? Yes. Copy that. And first, do a DIR to see if we see the WebGoat program there. Just type dir space or dir enter would do it. Run users. Where is our desktop? You're in your root directory of your, I would have expected to see desktop there. Just type cd space desktop and see if that works. Where do they put your desktop directory? Oh, maybe it's not under users. Where is? I thought it would be. Just a second. Where is? Users. Yeah. Well. That's unusual. I wonder where the desktop went. I know it's there because I can see it behind your screen. Normally be there. Oh, okay. I have it. I know a trick. We can find out where your desktop is. Go back to something on your desktop. Shrink your, shrink that, and then right-click on one of the programs. Like, right-click that. Go down to Properties. Way down at the bottom. And Properties will tell us where it is. It's in Users, look at OneDrive. Ah, you're on OneDrive. That's desktop. Oh, you're really networked. Okay, now we know where it is. All righty. Back to command.com. Okay. CD OneDrive. And then CD desktop, or hit up twice, or there you go. Click that, enter. Bingo. All right. And now paste in that Java, the command line java-jar, blah, blah, blah.
The same, the first one again.
Yeah, maybe right click and paste. Oh, did you copy it? Does Control V do anything, or just right click, paste, or whoa?
I'm sorry, I put you down for a second.
Oh no, she's fallen over. Oh, she's back. Ah, there it is. Okay, press enter and let's see if it says any happy messages. Okay, it's working. All right. After this, then you have to start another CMD program, another one of these windows, and and do Web Wolf. Yeah, just open that one up. Yeah, and you see the second run is the Java-jar Web Wolf, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, do that one in the second window. And again, it probably works without that one, but it will work most of the time without that one. It'll work all the time if you put it in. So I like the, unable to, we got to do the CD, change directory to OneDrive dash,
So it's one
CD, OneDrive, CD,
C.
OneDrive / desktop, or do it in 2 steps as you see fit. All right, now go up twice. It should work. There you are. Hit it. Ta-da! Okay, as soon as that gets to a point where it says loaded, it prints a lot of gobbledygook. All right, it's working. Now go to your friendly browser, create a new tab. Yes, and http://localhost. It's got this in the instructions, by the way, if you just want to copy and paste it.
Oh, okay.
You see the down at the bottom in your favorite browser, go to.
Okay.
Or you might even be able to click on it. I don't know. But anyway. There. It works. You're in. And as other people, you have to create a user ID, even though you're the only user on a private system that only exists in your computer. So there's no reason to be secure, but it doesn't work if you don't create one. Okay, you're in. All right. So, yeah. If you want to stop sharing your screen.
Okay.
Yeah, I might have the same problem as her, but I can't figure this out, unfortunately.
Accessing this now, will I just be able to go to the web, like just type it in and it'll come up?
Does anybody else have any issues, problems?
I do, but I think I have the same thing that she has. Like, I can't, it's still giving me the same error, but unfortunately I can't figure it out. So can you hear me?
I don't hear you, Ms. Charmy. Is that a problem on my side, or?
I don't know. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you, so I wonder what's wrong.
Oh. I can't really hear Mazabin. Did she say something?
You can't hear me?
Now I can hear you, but it's like really faint. I don't know if he can.
Okay. Sorry, I seem to be having technical issues. Yeah, I'm going mute. Cannot hear today. Yes, stand by. We will. Now can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Oh, okay, because I lost all sound.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Sorry, I lost all my sound.
Oh.
I went back and started playing some music and that wouldn't play. So yeah, so something was wrong on my side. I don't know.
Okay.
It may be, I have this feeling there's a mystery mute button on my headphones and I've yet to find where it is, how to turn it off. But
Okay.
okay, yes, but John, what can I do for you, man?
Yeah, I'm still getting the same error. I tried to walk through with what you and Lakia was doing, but I cannot figure this out. So,
You want to share your screen with us and we will
sure.
all see what we can do?
Thank you. I greatly appreciate that.
Sure. Yes, we can see it. Okay.
Okay.
Unable to access jar.
Yeah. I keep getting
Okay.
there.
Would you and WebGoat. Do a
Oh, okay,
DIR.
cool.
Do a DIR from where you are.
Oh.
D is in D. D is in dog. Oh, okay. And we have WebGoat. WebWolf. WebWolf is a directory.
Oh.
Go
So
to
I do something wrong?
Well, no, but CD WebWolf or WebGoat. Well, no, WebWolf is a directory. We don't want WebGoat. Do that. Oh, nope. Would you scroll back up so I can see the DAR results, please? All right. Well, where is all this stuff? Huh. I see. Well, that's WebGoat container, WebGoat images. This is the.
So I must have did something wrong.
Why don't you do a CD space dot? It goes up one space period. Enter. Yeah. Oh. How about CD space period period? Okay. Space 2 period. Yeah. Okay, that worked. Now do a dir. Let's see where we are. Oh, well, we have a WebGoat directory.
I guess I did something wrong.
We're just there. Where did the jar go?
I don't know.
I didn't take it. Must have done it myself. Well, there's the you got the Java stuff there.
Right.
We've got Java running. I believe we already tested that. That's working. But yeah. Where is that? Yeah, the directory that you download. You don't have to do anything with it. You just download it and put it on the desktop. And you got a bunch of WebGoat type directories there, but don't seem to have the stuff we want.
Okay. Not sure what I did wrong, but
okay, well, we can go back and do it again, and it should work. I don't think you need that WebGoat directory. I don't know. Did you make that, or did it make that, or
I just
WebGoat containers? I wonder if this is the. No.
I just did a git pull. That's what I did, but I don't know.
Oh, you had a git. You did git. Oh, okay. Oh, you went to git.
Yeah.
Oh, that a pull. Oh, okay. Yes. A pull does not do the same thing as a pull.
Okay,
you got the source code for it here, I think.
Okay.
And that's not we're not getting that detailed. You can get rid of this and yes.
Okay, well, I didn't know what to do.
Okay. You just need to copy the 2 jar files. Just download there's a
okay. So
you're just way ahead of us. That's all here.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
So you just copy the 2 jar files.
Right. Yeah. So I go to there. Yep. And go to, I guess, latest release on the left. I didn't.
Oh, okay.
Maybe. How about, I'll tell you what, below that there's that 8.1.0 tag below latest release. Oh, What do we have here? Nah, I don't want bug fixes. I'm gonna find that.
It should be if you keep scrolling down a little bit. It should be.
Oh,
It'll
okay.
tell
Scroll down.
you.
Contributors. Da, da, da. Oh,
That
there
one
we
right
go.
there.
There we are.
Assets?
Not quite. Well, there's the server web. Where's the Go server?
Not new. Oh,
Oh,
okay.
yes, what we want. We want that WebGoat dash server dash 8.0 jar. Scroll down. Keep going. There,
This?
under assets. That one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey,
oh my
it's
God.
downloading.
Okay.
Hang on. Now we gotta go find. Oh, and we need the web wolf too. So you got the wolf.
Hello, both of them.
Got okay. They're both coming. All right. Oh, we're gonna keep them because we live on the wild side. All right.
Oh my God. Okay. I was stuck
Okay.
on it.
Now they should be in your download directory. I recommend moving them to your desktop. Download is not a really good place to keep things.
Okay. So they're here probably. Here.
Yeah, they are. Just drag them. Yeah, you see the desktop directory up there, like two above. Just drag them over there.
Desktop.
See,
see, up here. I see
right.
it.
Just drag them. Yeah. Yeah, right. I have a problem of dragging something and slipping and putting it who knows where. Okay, cool. All right. Now you're going. I think if you get down to that command, yep, right down there.
Okay.
Pick your favorite one. We want to
Is
go to
that
the
clear?
desktop. Yeah. That's
All right.
CLR.
CLR. Oh, okay. CLR.
Oh, you got to spell CLR. Try that. Nope, that didn't work either. Okay. Well, never mind. If you go to CD. Oh, do you have a no? Oh, CD OneDrive / desktop. All right. Everybody's got OneDrive. I can see you've been bought and sold by Microsoft. Let's go dir just to see, make sure it's there.
I see web. Well,
No, I don't see the. I don't see.
you don't see it? No, I don't see it either.
No, you tried. Out of curiosity, back to the file manager we have right there. Yeah, because that's on your PC. We dragged it to the because we're not on OneDrive. Nope. That's okay. You don't need to do that.
Don't. Okay.
Yeah, don't. Okay, it's there.
It is there.
It is, but we're not there. We are.
Is it there? I don't see it.
You're right. I don't see it. Well,
We might not have done it.
I thought we did. Well, okay. Just then drag them over to moving to desktop. Hang on. What does this say?
Because the file is open. Oh. Do I need to close something?
Yeah. Cancel this. You might have to click on it twice. Okay. And then one of your yeah.
I'm gonna just close all this.
And I think one of your command.com. Oh, okay. Yeah, close that.
I'm just gonna close all of the others so it won't get confused.
That's good.
Okay. See if it'll do it.
Where's it? Open. The file is open in OpenJDK. Skip.
What? Okay, let me just minimize everything. Where is it open?
That's a good question. It says you're OpenJDK. This is like it's like you're running something.
Task manager.
Oh, yeah.
I don't see anything.
Well, click on more details.
Oh, okay.
And where's Zoom? No, I don't see any Java there. I thought,
Me neither.
that's unusual. Sometimes Windows gets confused.
It does a lot, actually.
Yes, actually, quite a bit.
It might be user error more than
Well,
Windows
that's
itself.
been known to happen too. Okay. Well, it's not there, so we'll yeah, we can close that or
Drop it.
shrink that one to go away. Okay, we're on your desktop one. Okay.
Maybe
We're on
it's
one. Let's go back to the file. Oh, is that running?
delete it. It's a shortcut, but that was the
Yeah, yeah,
shortcut for the
Yeah, you can short.
the previous thing I downloaded. Like
Yeah,
I
watch
pulled,
it. You
but
can
it
delete
wasn't.
that one too, I think.
Okay.
Those are just shortcuts. Okay. This is which oh, there was a quick access thing. So let's just wonder if that desktop is your scroll down a little bit on the left. The yeah, scroll down there if you would. We have download
Oh, this one.
that desktop, yeah.
Okay.
Which in theory should be the same as the other one, but
It should.
well, it can't be completely because the file is open.
Okay. I mean, can I just
Well,
get up and running and I can move it? Like I might have to restart the computer.
that might do it. I'm
Okay.
sure that would do it, but then we'll lose you. Anyway, yes, it looks like you got to the point where Java works. You found that. You saw from other people that if you eventually get to the right directory where you can see the goat and then run the Java command, and it should work. Once you get them both running, you can go into the browser and go to WebGoat.
Well, I don't know how to do that, but
I have faith in you. You can do that.
so let me just figure out where it is. So Java command, right? It needs to be in the same place, correct?
Well, you need to run the Java command in the same directory so it can find those things. Yes.
Directory. So if it's in, like, if I put it in like downloads, like if it's in downloads, will
That'd be
it run?
fine. Well, yes, if you go to downloads to run it. Yes, I made. I can show you what I did. If you want to stop sharing your screen for a minute.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. I'm going to share my screen and just the whole screen. And there you are. I have these little bat files here. And they are not text files, they're bat files. In fact, in Microsoft, they show the little gears. I'm going to open that up, right click, open with edit notepad. Oops. And bring notepad over there. And there it is. Now I happen to have the WebGoat things, not on my desktop, but in my NCAT COMP621 WebGoat directory on my D drive. So I made this little bat file, switch over to the D drive, change that directory, and then run it. So when I want to start WebGoat, I just go over here, double click this puppy, and it starts up. No copying and pasting.
So you don't have to.
Yeah, I copied and pasted it once, put it in the little bat file, and then it starts up nice and easily.
Bat file. Okay.
BAT, bats is in, vampire bats and stuff like that.
Gotcha.
Yes, bat is in batch. It's a script. If you're a Unix user, they'd be scripts, but in the Windows world, they're called bat files, but it's the same thing. You can put commands in there and it'll just do them all.
Okay. Okay. Well, I mean, since
and now mine's clickety clacking, starting up, but you don't need to see that because that's kind of dull and boring. And oh man, look at all that. Illegal access, the operator will be denied in a future release. I don't know what they're doing out there, but I'm sure they will fix it before the future release comes around. Anyway, yes. So,
So I have it downloaded. I just need to move it to desktop, and then
yes, or any directory. You know, you
I
don't
should
doesn't
be
have to
able
be.
to do everything. If I have any issues, I can
Just email me or contact me. That's fine. You know, you don't have to put it
get
on
a
your
directory.
desktop.
Okay.
I didn't. I put it in a separate directory where I've got my 621 stuff, and put it there, and then just go to that directory. Sometimes my desktop
Okay.
gets my desktop's not that full.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
Uh,
see. Okay. Well, I will
Mas-
try it. If I have
okay.
any issues, I'll contact you.
Please do.
Um,
Masabin, I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. You have any issues?
Yeah. Can you
Yes, ma'am.
oh, finally. Okay. So I have done all of this, but when I do the wolf one, it shows me this message. Is it okay?
Could you share your screen with us,
Oh,
please?
sorry. Oh, yeah. Right.
Okay. Oh, all right. There's the error. Let's scroll up to the top and see what it says in the very first part of the error. Oh, look at all those errors. Boy. Okay. Up to the very beginning. Is that the very beginning? Where's it? Then it goes. Being factory error with name, entity manager, factory defined, and blah, blah, blah. Unable to open GDB connection for GDL. Oh. Okay. Is this a stop? Type the word path. Path, P-A-T-H.
So I'll like.
Just, yeah, P-A-T-H, press enter. Oh, okay. Yes, you see, that gives you, that's a very long string that tells you all the directories that Windows will search. And in the very beginning, it's got Java, Java path. And what happens if you type Java dash version? That works. Well, I know that works. We just did it, so I know that works.
Do I need to make a bad file for this?
Yes, I made a bat file to do the Java command because I didn't want to type in that long statement all the time.
I made one bad file. Can you share? Can you see this? I made a bad file for the WebGoat.
Yeah, I did one for both WebGoat and WebWolf.
So I need to make one for the web wolf, right?
I would, yes. Now, again, you don't always need WebWolf, only sometimes. When I do this, I just start them both. Oh, it's important to start the goat before the wolf. It doesn't work the other way around. And then when they're both running, then it should work. Okay, I'm unsure why your Java is not work or the program is not working.
I could make this like I did this, but for the web wolf it's not working.
Yeah.
But I could do this one.
Oh, the WebGoat is working, but the WebWolf is not.
Yeah.
Oh, well, for now, don't worry about it. It'll run without WebWolf.
Oh, okay.
Try going to your browser and typing in the localhost :8080 WebGoat and see if that works.
Is it okay?
I can only see your one window, the command.com. So I don't, you'll have to share the desktop or the browser. Any luck?
Can you see now?
Yes. Oh, you want to go WebGoat, not WebWolf. We're going for the goats, and the goat G in goat is capitalized. There you are.
Yeah, I'm getting the web goat, but not getting the web wolf.
Excuse me.
I'm getting the web goat, but the web
Oh,
wolf is not.
don't worry about WebWolf. You don't need to run WebWolf. WebWolf runs.
I can't hear you. Lost you. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me now? Oh, yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
I lost or you lost. I don't know what's.
Mhm.
I think it's one of those magic buttons I've got here that I keep accidentally getting pressed. Okay. Anyway, yes, you're in. Obviously, you have to register your new user and put that. But that's it. That if WebWolf is necessary, it'll tell you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you're there. You can at least I know you can do the first several lessons without WebWolf, and so now it works. Okay, good. You got it running. All right. So I think the others have all got it going to some extent. So are we all happy?
Yes.
All right. Well,
So
Well,
much.
I haven't yet. I'll try it. If I have an issue, I'll just
contact me, email
Okay.
me, send me a text message, send up smoke signals or something, and we'll work with you to make sure it works.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay.
Dr.
All
Williams.
right,
Have a
well,
good
folks.
evening.
Okay, see you folks later, and
Thank you.
Tuesday at 2. See you
All
then.
right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.